Cowboy Pasta Salad. We're about to whip up a dish that's full of flavor and fun. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 12 ounces, about 340 g. Cooked pasta, elbow, rotini, or shells work well. 1 pound, 450 ground beef. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Half teaspoon smoked paprika. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Halve 1 cup canned corn, drained or grilled corn kernels. 1 cup canned black beans, drained and rinsed. 2 red onion, finely diced. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 4 slices cooked bacon, crumbled. 1/4 cup chopped pickled jalapenos. Optional. 2 tablespoons fresh chopped cilantro. Optional. For the dressing, 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup sour cream. 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Esti clover garlic minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 40 minutes. 1. Cook pasta. Boil pasta in salted water according to package instructions. Drain and rinse with cold water. Set aside to cool. 2. Brown the beef. In a skillet over medium heat, add olive oil and ground beef. Season with chili powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook until browned and fully cooked. Drain excess fat and let it cool. 3. Prepare the dressing in a bowl. Whisk together mayonnaise, sour cream, barbecue sauce, lime juice, mustard, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix until smooth and creamy. 4. Assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine cooked pasta, ground beef, tomatoes, corn, black beans, red onion, cheddar cheese, bacon, and jalapenos, if using. Pour in the dressing and mix until everything is well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving to let the flavors meld. Garnish with chopped cilantro before serving if desired. Grate as a main dish or side. Serve cold or at room temperature. Perfect for cookouts, potlucks, or meal prep. Little tricks that make a big difference. Swap ground beef with ground turkey or plant-based crumbles. Use leftover grilled corn or brisket for a smoky twist. Add diced avocado or hot sauce for extra kick. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal